Crime and the law. Crime is an illegal activity. Criminals can rob a bank. They can burgle a house. They can mug people in the street. Pickpockets can steal your purse. Thefts of cars are also possible. Criminals can kidnap people. Vandals often damage monuments and buildings in a city. Gullible people often become the victims of fraudsters. The police officers chase and arrest criminals. They take them to the court. Witnesses speak at the court. If actions of a suspected person are found unlawful, he/she can be announced guilty. Sometimes they confess to a crime. The judges sentence culprits to imprisonment.